Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Sulfur monoxide bonding might seem tricky, but we can solve this quickly by looking at electronegativity differences between these two nonmetal atoms right now. First, we need to determine if the bond is polar or nonpolar. Since sulfur and oxygen are different elements with different electronegativities, they will definitely share their electrons very unevenly. Next, remember that oxygen is much more electronegative than sulfur on the periodic table. This means oxygen pulls the shared electrons closer to itself, creating a distinct partial negative charge. Because oxygen is more electronegative, it becomes partially negative, while sulfur stays positive. This makes option C the only correct claim for this molecule. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given data and check steps.